Hey class, so we have been learning lots of letters. We have some new letters this week. Our first new letter is the letter O, and the O says ah. And when we do the ah, we do octopus tentacles, and we move them around. So the O says ah, 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 ah. Sorry. The letter P says p, like a popcorn kernel. P, p, p.
Turkey.
The Q says qua, and I make a crown like a queen would wear a crown. So qua, qua, qua. The Q says qua. For R, I do like a rooster, how a rooster has the thing that goes underneath his beak. I don't know what it's called, but it goes So the R says
Says Mom.
And then finally the S, and the S says S. And for S, I put my hand on top of my arm and I slide it down and I go S. The S says S, 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 S. And that's how I remember my sounds. Now these signals are really important because they help your kiddo remember. They see it, they say it, and they can touch something or do something, and that helps them learn a lot better if you can include as many senses as possible. So if your kiddo's struggling with their sounds, be sure to watch these videos, and you can practice those signals along with your sounds. Good luck.